Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Alienware 500Hz gaming monitor. So friend, based on a leak news, Alienware is planning on announcing a 500Hz capable gaming monitors at CES, and friend, according to the leaker, the new monitor will carry the AW2524H model name and suggesting it is a 25-inch monitor. And friend, the general tech specifications aren't likely to impress most people, as the people panel is one would accept only a 1080p panel, although it's at least a fast IPS panel rather than a TN panel. And it delivers 480Hz natively over DP but has an OC settings which makes it reach 500Hz. And based on leak picture of the rear of the display, it will have some RGB elements as well as a height adjustable stand, which most likely also allows the display to be rotated. And the leaker didn't provide any kind of pricing but accepted this one will be very expensive 1080p display. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.